what happened to today's life. Huh? So, here's the warning. Warning by God. Look, I am coming soon, Jesus said. My reward is with me. Diba? My reward is with me. Amen. And I will give to the person, to each person according to what they have done. See guys, I told you there is a reward. Diba? I told you there is a reward. Oh, sabi ni Jesus, oh, Jesus said there, oh. Sabi ni Jesus said here, look, I am coming soon. My reward is with me.